What's that?
It's a
Has that always been there?
It's a turntable and a microphone.
That's
Holy-
where it's at. Holy crap. Two turntables and a microphone.
That's where it's at. You didn't think I could do that, huh? Like we're working in the Stu
Unfortunately,
studio.
I was afraid you could do that.
It's like we're in the Stu studio.
Studio.
Okay, you ready?
No.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito
And
here.
the Lucha Cabra here.
And today we got ourselves the Tao Motor.
DBX 140 cc's of trail mobbing madness, people.
Yeah.
Dirt bike madness.
Yeah, this thing is real cool.
This is elite.
Yeah, this is a bigger bike. This has got bells and whistles on
This
it.
is for the big
We
kids.
haven't taken it out of the box yet. This is the 2022 model. So, you know, we did the DB27, we did the DB20. It does have the same sticker scheme, but let's see what this thing
It's
has.
got more cc's, I bet.
Yes, it's got 140 cc's. We know that. But let's see what else this thing has, shall we?
Shall we?
We're gonna. Oh yeah, we're gonna speed this up while we get the box. I'm excited. This one I'm really happy about. Yep, we're gonna get the box off and we're gonna speed it up in that fashion and get right
Well,
back.
we
to
get
you
the
guys.
box off right now.
Let's get the box off. This is just to give you guys a wow.
Wow! Look, it's still competition orange. It's beautiful. Beautiful, people. Yeah, this is nice.
Yep.
All right.
Setup. We're gonna go ahead and get this off and speed this up and get right back to you guys. Okay.
All right. All right. Do you hear the elote like I hear the elote? Let's go get elote!
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay.
All right, we're back. So we got everything out of the crate. We peeled the stickers off of this awesome decal kit.
Look at it, beautiful. Isn't it?
Yeah, it looks good. As you guys seen on the other ones, this is exactly the same sort of decal set. You got that awesome racing orange. I think our competition orange, which looks awesome there. It does have all the anodized features as well too. It has the anodized shifter, the ball bearing throttle. It also has the adjustable and collapsible levers, as well as that gold chain for more strength.
18 karat gold, people.
Yes.
The same kind of carrots you use to make your gold keepers.
Yep. But this thing overall, it's got the 140, and the shifting pattern is all up on this. Neutral is all the way down, and then you got first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, all the way up.
All the way to 200 miles an hour
Yeah. Blistering top speeds.
on those trails.
Yep. And then, of course, the awesome exhaust. Tell them about the exhaust, Luke.
This exhaust will expel more gases than your Uncle Tony at pizza night at the Italian deli down at Claro's.
Wow.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yep. And then we got, you know, of course, Kickstarter, everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get this together. What are we going to do to get this together right now?
Well,
Luke?
first, people, we got to put the monoshock on the back and the chain guard on. And that way, we can then put the handlebars on and lift it back up for the front tire.
Yep, because, you know, you can't ride your bike without any what?
No handlebars.
No handlebars. No handlebars.
And then what else do we got to do?
Put gas in it and ride.
Yep, put the front wheel on, right?
I said that.
Oh, and the front fender and the front
And the minute number plate.
Yep.
All right.
So we're going to go ahead and get on with that right now.
Shall we?
Yep.
All
We
right.
have bought Chip a brand new set of training wheels. This will go on this particular bike, so Chip will learn to ride.
Yeah, that's how you did it before, right?
And just squish it together.
There we go. All right.
This thing is real basic. There's really nothing to it. You literally bolt the rear shock on, put the handlebars, put the front wheel on, put the fender, put the number plate on, put the chain guard on, put some gas in it, fire it up, let it run for a little while. And then, of course, you do want to maintain this. Keep it in mind that this is just shipping oil, and you want to go ahead and change the oil on this as soon as possible, all right?
All right. The rear
All right.
shock is on.
There we go. Now, Luke's is going to get his chain guard.
That's to guard my chain.
Yes. And while he's doing that, I'm going to pull these Allen bolts off here. Let me see that ratchet with the Allen head as well, please.
You're so ratchet. And then we threw that tool out.
Okay. Thank you very
There
much.
you go, buddy.
You're the best.
I know. I'm pretty cool for a not cool guy, huh?
Pretty cool for a not cool guy.
Yeah.
Pretty fly for a white guy.
I got a number 31 tattooed on the back of my neck. Kind of like that, huh?
Just like Cousin Willie.
Oh, yeah. Shotgun Willie. You know him, don't you?
Yep.
All right. Now we get our chain guard on. All right. Our chain is properly guarded, people.
Now we're on to the handlebars.
Mostly like my emotions around you.
Emotional, damn
The
it!
handlebars there.
All right. What are we doing here?
Okay. And they're
That's
back.
backwards.
Backwards.
How'd
What
you
are
do
doing?
that?
I didn't do it. You did it.
You got- I had it right the first time.
There you. No, you didn't.
What do you do to these damn things?
I didn't do anything.
God darn it.
You got it now?
I leave him straight. He comes back to this.
They weren't straight. They were dangling. Like this. Want to come down one more? Or are you going to stay right there?
I got this part, okay?
Okay.
The other
There
one.
you go.
Thanks, pal.
Everything lined up okay for you?
So far.
Want to pull it up? For
No,
you?
what shall I go?
Don't touch them.
It's time to. Hey, where am I going to go now? All right.
And knock your Aunt Cuddy socks off, huh?
You know, if I had an Aunt Connie, your socks would be all the way across the room by now. Okay, you're a big boy, so I'll put them all the way out to the front.
Okay. Orange racing stripes on the seat. Or stripes on the seat. It's got the performance coil. It's got a high flow air filter, a washable air filter as well.
What he's trying to say is the air filter really sucks.
And this is the other cool thing about this 140cc engine. You want to tell them, Luch, what's on the front there of the engine?
It's got an Earl cooler on it.
Yes.
That'll keep your Earl cooler than your Aunt Connie's feet after her socks get knocked across the floor after seeing those bright orange racing stripes on this thing.
That is pretty cool.
How's that? Did I do all right?
What about Uncle Jack, though?
Uncle Jack, he's still eating the...
You know, I didn't even think about this till I looked at your wonderful mask.
Yeah, what about it?
It matches the
It
seat.
matches, huh?
The seat.
Yes. So my face looks like the seat, is what he said.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Exactly like a burnt orange kind of color. Look at it.
Can you tell the difference? Would you sit here?
It looks like it.
Right.
So, anyways, we got the handlebars on now. And now it's on to the front wheel. Now, Lynch is going to explain, Elvis.
We're gonna go on the front wheel, baby. We're gonna mount that wheel, right over there. We're gonna mount that wheel. What?
And then we're going to go get ourselves a peanut butter and nanner sandwich.
Oh, you know what? We're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna mount this fender. Hey,
Oh,
Steve
yes.
boy, mount this fender. Get
Yep.
the bolts over there.
Got to get the fender mounted.
I'm gonna let you do this fender.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it 3 bolts? Or 4?
Yes, 3 bolts. They go right up under here.
No problem. Done.
Oh yeah, you look good down there.
Yep.
Wait, are you gonna let me finish?
Well,
Okay.
please.
Here you go. I'll go on back over here.
You don't have to take your
Gloves off if you wanna build a dirt bike. Basic hand tools, people. Basic.
basic hand tools. Absolutely.
Sort of like my general knowledge of these things. Basic.
Yes. As basic as I know.
All right. Is that on yet?
Nope. Getting
Chip
there.
Rudy?
Getting there.
All right. We're almost there. Here, I'll tell you what.
You get the number plate ready?
I'll get the number plate ready.
There we go. Wonderful.
You know,
Teamwork.
teamwork makes the dream work, people.
Don't forget it.
You know, we may be living the dream. It may be someone else's dream. It may be someone else's nightmare. But yet it is someone's dream.
Yes.
So tell your friend, you need a DBX1 from Tao Motors. 140 cc's of throbbing, trail mobbing madness, people.
I can already tell you guys that the 140 motor is a good motor from the last one that we had as well too.
It was a monster.
Yes, it really had a lot of torque. You see, so I'll put some clips of
He
some
stood
videos
it straight up.
of a unnamed person riding wheelies on the bike.
Shotgun Willie?
Yes.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, I don't know where did he came from. Where did he go?
But he's somewhere.
Yeah.
You got that on yet?
Almost. But this bike has it has plenty of torque, and for our size, you know, bigger guy like me, 6 foot, 240 pounds, it's no problem.
Big kid, small bike.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we're taking the gloves off now.
I do.
Put it on or off?
Help me.
So got the 8mm. Got those tightened down, those 3.
You get your fender tightened down. Then you can put your number plate on. And you just slip it in the 2 little holes down there.
Line up your 8mm as well. There you go. All right.
And screw them on down.
Let me get your bucket over there for you to have something to sit on. There you go.
All right. Look at that, just like that.
Yep.
You want me to sit on that?
Sure, why not?
All righty. Here, take that.
And there.
Now we're going to put our front wheel on, people.
You got your wrenches?
Our wrenches. Done. Not ready yet.
Okay.
Relax, Pally.
Now we're just going to put the front wheel on, and it's pretty much together. After that, we're going to go over a few things and show you guys them as well, too, after we get some fuel in it and get ready to start it up. But I'm really jazzed about this one. I
Like
like
a
this.
kid in a candy store.
I do like this one a lot. I like the 140 engine. I love the fact it's oil cooled. This thing is really, really a cool bike, and they sound awesome. So I haven't even heard this thing start yet, but I remember last year's model and our year before last model, and that thing was just awesome.
You're not going to touch the brakes now, right?
No, I'm not touching the brakes.
Okay, bring it up, Pally.
There you go. Ready?
Whoa! You bring it down, Pally. All right, right about there. And now, people, you got 2 spacers here. The long one will go on the left side toward the caliper, brake caliper. The short one will go on the right side
And we're going to put in the bolt.
from the right side to the left side, up a little bit.
Okay.
Go. No, too much. Too much.
Too much. Okay.
Dan, you listen? Go up a little bit. Okay.
This guy. Let me get it out before you tap it. No. Tap it, tap it, tap it.
There you go. Just like so. Now you can tighten the thing down. All right.
Give her a spin.
Hit the brake. Hit it again and again and again until it works. Like you're going downhill and
Yeah,
you just
you
lost
need
them.
to definitely pump it up a little bit.
Because I've got to push the piston back out.
And there we go. Beautiful.
Look at that. It works.
Ball bearing throttle.
Man,
Collapsible levers. Awesome grips. This thing is.
wow. Racing coil.
Yep. I'm looking forward to this one.
Racing wire. Red racing wires.
Yep. Giddy. So we're gonna go ahead and get some gas in this thing real quick, get it off the lift, and get right back to you guys and fire it up. All right, guys. We got this thing gassed up now. We put it together. We basically mounted the shock, put on the front wheel, put on the handlebars, put on the fenders, put on the number plate, put some gas in it. We're gonna fire it up right now.
Right now.
Yep.
For your very eyes.
So let's see.
Watch
what-
this. Big kid, big
what
bike.
she
Finally, you get something that fits you.
Yes. Yes. And the 140. I'm excited.
Don't forget the oil cooler, people.
Yep. Woohoo!
That's got kickback. Listen to that, people. 140 cc's of oil cooled drill money. Madness. You're such a video on my feelings for days.
Yep.
Wow, get the back end, don't break it. Maybe we can get some more carbon monoxide built up in here. That would be awesome.
This thing is awesome. You guys see we got a little rubber there.
That thing's incredible, people.
Yep. I'm happy.
He's happy.
Yes,
In a
I'm
candy store.
going to ride this one as well. But we're going to have somebody reviewing this bike. And
This bike?
Yep, as well as the DB27.
That's
And
amazing.
they'll be giving you guys more of a motocross rider's opinion. But
Very cool.
overall, the way this thing sounds, the way it feels, how responsive the clutch is, the throttle as well, I'm really jazzed. It's got the gold chain on it as well too.
Your rappers friends will be happy.
Yes, they will. Yep, they will.
And it's protected too.
Yeah, I love the way it sounds. My heart's racing a little bit. Yeah,
Right there.
I think we're gonna have to get this one or another, or maybe both, and add them to the Dorito.
This guy
Electric
collects a
Cowboy.
lot of crap. But then they let him sit.
They're like Hot Wheels, you know?
All right, Bill.
Yep.
There you have
Yep.
the 2022
Tao
Tao
Motor
Motors DBX1 140 cc's of oil-cooled trail mobbing madness.
Yep.
You heard it, people, and you've seen it here first.
Yep. Tons of billet parts. Killer racing orange or competition orange.
Competition racing orange for
Yep.
your Ford fanatics.
With the sticker package as well. Looks really good. The seat. I can't complain about this bike
Why would you?
whatsoever. It's awesome. It's awesome. So, anyways, I got to get out on this thing. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to come back to Dorito
And the Lucha Cabra.
and keep your eyes out for more videos from these bikes and other awesome Tao Motor products.
Raw.
They're coming out with a lot of cool
A lot
stuff.
of good stuff, people. We
And-
got it here first for
Yep.
you.
And it's our pleasure and honor to actually go ahead and get these things and check them out and tell you guys what we think of them. So, thanks for watching.
Stay tuned for more.
Peace.
Ellis, I want to be your little teddy bear and spend my whole night rocking and rolling with you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.